If you've been thinking about dipping your toes into the world of real estate investing, this video is for you. What's going on, guys? Ryan here, Director of Operations at Boselli Brothers Real Estate, and today we are going to be talking about the fundamentals of real estate. Real estate investing might seem very complicated, or maybe only for the super wealthy. I'm here to show you that that isn't true, that anyone can get started with little to no money or experience. Buckle up, because we're about to take a dive into the fundamentals of real estate investing. And trust me, it's way simpler than you might think. Guys, when getting started, education is so important, but guess what? You've already stumbled across this channel, so you're in the right place. Knowledge is power, and this channel will be your secret weapon to avoiding all the mistakes that we've made along our journey. And if you like this video and others like it, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us get our message out and help other investors not make the mistakes that we've made. That being said, let's talk about all the ways you can make money in real estate. Guys, real estate is a treasure trove of opportunities, and there is so many different ways to make money, and you don't even need to own the property to make money. You could be an agent, a wholesaler. You could be a notary that just shows up to the closing table of two parties that you don't know and just sign the documents with them. The possibilities are endless here. If you are looking to purchase the property, before you do that, you need to know what your revenue strategy is or your money-making strategy. Everything starts with that strategy. Are you going to be doing long-term rentals or maybe short-term rentals like Airbnb? Perhaps you might rent individual rooms out like a pad split. It's important. Pick your path, stick to it, and become a master of your niche in your target market. Once you've picked your strategy, it's really important to understand ARV and rehab costs. Guys, this is the most important part of real estate investing. You must know what your property is going to be worth after you rehab it and the cost it's going to take to get your property up to that market-ready ARV. And if you haven't heard of ARV, it's your after repair value or value of your property after you have fixed it up. To get this number, just head over to Zillow or Realtor or any of the other major MLS sites, go to the sold tab, go to the last 3 to 6 months and look up similar properties to yours and see what they are selling for and the condition that they are when they sold. This should get you a general idea or range of where your property will sit. This is where you can also see the standard of rehab in your market. You can see the difference of what a property will rent for when it's freshly renovated or if it's deteriorating and needs work. That way you get to see how much rehab your property actually needs to get it to your target rent amount. And that brings me to my next topic, which is evaluating a property's rehab scope. Most likely, you're not a contractor. But that's okay. It's very easy to find a contractor. It's not so easy to find a good contractor. I have to emphasize, do not try to do all of the rehab work yourself unless you are very handy, because you're gonna end up taking longer time, it's gonna cost you more money, and you're gonna get a worse product at the end than if you just hired a professional and paid a little bit more money to have them do it. A lot of people make this mistake when they first start out, but do not do it. It could cost you a lot of time and money and really put a bad taste in your mouth about real estate investing as a whole. Set up calls and interview potential GCs or general contractors in that area. This should start giving you an idea of project costs and timelines associated with a project. Also find out what their draw schedule is or in what increments you'll be paying them throughout the rehab. Find yourself a reliable contractor and make them your best friend. Regardless if it's a brand new contractor or if you've been working with them for a while, you should always add about 10 to 20% of their rehab bid they give you as a fudge factor, just in case any unforeseen maintenance pops up during the work. Trust me, it will happen. Conservative underwriting is your safety net. The more properties that you acquire and rehabs you complete, the better you'll be at estimating rehab costs before you even send your contractor out to the property. Once you have your property lined up and you know how much it's going to cost to fix up, now let's talk about financing. How are you going to pay for it? Where's the money coming from? Your first thought might be, let's go to a bank, but banks aren't the only one that can have fun in this game. There's tons of other ways to fund real estate projects, and I'm going to show you how. Guys, start thinking about investors. Think about your personal network and people near you that would be interested in investing in a property that cash flows every month. You get the tax benefits, you get the appreciation. There's so many reasons to invest in real estate. It's finding those people that don't know how to do it, but have the money to do it. The real estate world is your oyster, and it's not a one-size-fits-all strategy. Check out this video linked below on all of the different financing options you can have when going through a bank or traditional financing methods. The final topic I want to touch on today is forced appreciation. Have you ever wanted to be a magician? Well, you can force appreciation in your real estate like magic. It's not really magic, it's just through a rehab. By rehabbing a property, you increase its value, and in turn, you increase your equity in that property. It's like adding a sprinkle of magic on the top of your investment. Now, if you spend $100,000 to make your house $50,000 more, then it's obviously not a good deal. But spending $80,000 to make it worth $100,000 more, that's $20,000 of forced appreciation. It's one of the most powerful tools for wealth building in real estate, and they do not offer that in any stocks, bonds, or alternative investments. That's just real estate, baby. Now that you got the basic information, the journey starts here and now. With the right education, creativity, and strategy, you can conquer all things real estate. Iron out the details of your plan, and get started. And that's going to do it for this video, guys. If you want to learn more in depth about real estate investing, team structure, entity structure, tax benefits, and more, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more insight on real estate investing. And stay tuned because we're cooking up some more videos on some financial strategies that you don't want to miss. Head on over to our website, BoselliBrothersRE.com, and subscribe to our newsletter for all things real estate and investing. And give us a comment below. Let us know what you want to learn about or what videos you want to see. Help us reach as many investors as possible and share our story and help you guys not make the same mistakes. I'm Ryan. We'll see you next time. 1, 2, pick up your shoe. Potential experience. Stumble across. It's going to the market. It's not one size. Creativity. No.